What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's the H2O Bro. Today we got a call. Customer says that the water softener is not using any salt, so let's go check it out, diagnose, and see what's going on. Alright, tank is full of salt. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to check if the water softener is actually regenerating. So you're going to hit the home screen until you get to the blank screen. Then you're going to hit the middle button here. It's going to say flow. It's going to say gallons remaining. And then what we want to look for is 14 days. This water softener has regenerated 0 times in the last 14 days. And then next is going to say days. It last regenerated 22 days ago. The reason it's taking so long is that this water softener is actually only hooked up to the hot side. So if it's only hooked up to the hot side, it's going to take you a lot longer to go through the max capacity. But we know that it is regenerating because it says here 22 days ago was the last regeneration. So I'm going back to the home screen. Next step is we're going to check for salt bridge. Salt bridge is very common, especially if you see the salt all the way to the top. Very easy to tell if there's a salt bridge. Take your fist, bang on it at the bottom, and bang on it at the top. If you can hear, it sounds hollow down here and solid up here. That means there is a big bridge right here. So one way to break that up, and I think the easiest way, is to take a rubber mallet, kind of bang on it until you hear it drop. Well, this one is really you could also take your fist. So this one is really hard, guys. It's solidified like right around here. So this method here is not working. The next method that we can do is we're gonna add water around the tank here to hopefully try to break it up. All right, since we have a handy spigot here, we're just gonna fill up my bucket with water. Don't do that. All right, next we're going to take our water here. That should do the trick. And you can look in here. You can still add some more water to it. So we're going to do that. Alright, I'm gonna try to give it a good shake. Still very hard. You take a rag.
There it goes. You hear the line, salt dropping? And there you go, guys. Just like that, salt level went down. Again, if you don't have to add water at first, if you can just tap it and break it up, do it like that. But if it's too hard, it's too solidified, then you can add some water. After you add the water, then you can tap it slowly and the salt level will go down. This is a very common issue. If your salt level is not going down, first thing you should check is check if there is a bridge in your brine tank, and if it is, you can break it up just like I did. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I saved you a $200 service call. In return, all I ask is that you hit that subscribe button and help me out. Thanks.